current app cash advance usually gets denied because your account activity doesn't meet eligibility requirements, your income deposits aren't consistent enough, or the app can't properly verify your banking history. By the end of this, you'll know how to check why you're being denied, what Current looks for before approving advances, and the exact steps that can improve your approval chances. Start by opening the Current app and going to the Advance or Overdraft section. If you see a denial message, it means the system already ran an eligibility check, and your account didn't qualify at that moment. Next, check your direct deposit history inside the app. Current relies heavily on consistent deposits to determine if you can repay an advance. If your deposits are irregular or missing, approval is usually blocked automatically. Now check which bank account your paycheck is going into. If your income is going into a different account than the one linked to Current, the app won't count it toward eligibility. Next, review your recent transaction activity. Low activity or limited spending history can make your account look too new for advance approval. If you recently opened your Current account, that alone can be the reason for denial. The system often needs time to build a pattern of income and spending before approving advances. Next, check if your bank connection inside Current is working properly. A broken or incomplete sync can prevent income verification, which leads to automatic denial. Now make sure your app is fully updated. Outdated versions can cause eligibility data not to refresh correctly or show incorrect advance status. If everything looks correct, sign out of the app and sign back in. That forces a fresh eligibility check and can update your account status. If you recently changed jobs, payroll timing, or bank accounts, your eligibility may temporarily reset. In that case, consistent deposits over time usually restore access automatically. Avoid repeatedly applying for advances after a denial. Each new request still pulls from the same eligibility data, so nothing changes until your account activity improves. If nothing works, recheck your bank connection and reconnect it if needed. A failed sync is one of the most common hidden reasons for denial. If you still can't get approved, contact Current support and share your account details and denial message. To sum it up, check your direct deposits, confirm your linked bank account, verify app syncing, and refresh your session. Next, focus on building consistent income activity before trying again. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more Current tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and personal finance tips.